Want to experience Android TV on your Windows computer without buying a smart TV box? In this video, you will learn how to create and run a virtual Android TV using Android Studio. First, open your web browser and search for Android Studio download. Visit the official Android Studio website and download the Windows version. After download is complete, run the setup file. During installation, make sure both Android Studio and Android Virtual Device options are selected. Click Next and complete the installation process. When Android Studio opens for the first time, choose Standard Installation. This option automatically installs all the requirement files including the Android SDK and Emulator components. Accept the license agreement and wait for the installation to finish. Next, create your Android TV virtual device on the Android Studio welcome screen. Click More Action, then select Virtual Device Manager. Click Create Virtual Device, choose TV category and select Television 180 pips. Give your virtual device name Shaem TV and remember this name because you will need it later. Then choose an Android TV system image. If available, select the latest version such as Android 16 and download it if necessary. Before clicking Finish, open additional settings to improve performance. If you experience black screen problem, change default boot from quick boot to cool boot. Increase internal storage 8GB to 16GB depending on how many apps you want to install. For better performance, set the CPU to 4-core. If your computer has 8GB RAM, allocate 3GB to Emulator. If your PC has 16GB RAM or more, set it to 4GB. Click Finish. Then press the play button to launch the Android TV emulator. To make the emulator run in full screen mode, you can install Auto Hotkey. And use a custom script that removes border and resets your Windows automatically. Once the emulator starts, sign in with your Google account and install apps from the Play Store. Keep in mind that performance depending on your computer hardware. Enable virtualization and use at least 8GB of RAM of the best experience. That's it, you can now enjoy Android TV directly off your Windows PC. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.